Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the shell. Level the trailer on 4 jack stands and block it, because a stable platform prevents shifting while you work. Next, shut off utilities and test circuits with a multimeter. Safety first always. Once done, open the underbelly and roof access and inspect for rot, leaks, and pest damage. You want to know what to prioritize. This first pass tells you which repairs are urgent versus cosmetic, so plan materials and budget accordingly. You now tackle structure and systems. Remove damaged floor sections and replace joists, sistering with 2x6 lumber or steel plates to restore rigidity. Then install 3/4 exterior-grade plywood subfloor, stagger seams and seal edges to stop moisture. Make electrical upgrades next. Rewire critical circuits to 12/2 where required and secure breakers, because modern loads demand it. Finally, inspect and test gas lines and plumbing. Fix slow leaks and pressure issues now, so finishes later won't trap problems you missed. You finish by insulating and sealing. Choose spray foam for tight cavities or bad insulation with a vapor barrier. This reduces drafts and condensation. Once insulated, install interior panels, caulk seams, and paint with mildew-resistant paint to protect surfaces. Then test systems thoroughly, run water, check all outlets, and cycle the HVAC, because function confirms quality. If something fails, recheck connections, pressure, and breakers. A reliable troubleshooting tip. Isolate the system and test components one at a time to pinpoint the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.